The time has come to give your stove a break and dust off your grill and welcome summer Alfresco style. I've partnered with the National Pork Board to celebrate the flavor of pork, and I will be sharing that pork is safe and most delicious when it's cooked properly. Today we are grilling pork chops, and the most important thing about making pork chops is choosing the right cut of pork chops. Did you know that there are 4 different cuts of pork chops? Porterhouse, rib eye, or rib chop, New York pork chop, and sirloin. And if you're wanting to grill some good pork chops, go to your local butcher and they will be happy to help you. The hubster and I love cooking porterhouse, and as you can see, it has the T-bone in the middle. We prefer to have a 1.5-inch pork chop because it will not dry out. Pork can take on a variety of flavorful profiles depending on the seasonings or marinades, and I'm keeping it simple with the seasonings because we are having friends over for dinner. After rubbing the pork chops with olive oil, I've put together a basic rub using 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt, smoked paprika or any flavored paprika, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, and mix it together and rub. I kept it covered until the hubster got the grill hot and ready. Preheat your grill to 400 to 500 degrees. You want to sear it, so place it directly onto the grill grates and close the lid and let it sear for another 2 to 3 minutes on one side, then flip it over and let the other side sear for another 2 to 3 minutes. After both sides are seared, move the pork chops to the upper rack and then turn your grill down to medium so they can finish cooking over indirect heat. Pork is safe and most delicious when cooked at an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest. This pork chop is juicy and tender. Cooked pork should be blush pink inside, not white. Incorporate pork into your summer occasions and visit pork.org/cooking to learn more. I'm making roasted vegetables with garlic and herbs. It's a simple blend of red potatoes, green beans, carrots, and garlic. All of my veggies are washed and clean, and I'm adding olive oil over the veggies. I ran out of fresh thyme, so I'm using dry, and fresh rosemary, and give it a good toss. There's nothing like a grilled corn on the cob. The night before, I soaked the corn in sugar water for a little extra sweetness and prepared to add my butter mixture, which is salt and pepper, and slathered the mixture on each of them and handed it over to the hubster to grill them. And 20 minutes later, we have sweet, juicy corn. The weather was so amazing this evening, so our friends decided, let's eat outside. Alfresco it is. I kept the table setting simple, no paper plates tonight, classy and simple. The roasted veggie mixture had such a delicious depth of flavor. With the fresh garlic and herb blend, it goes with almost anything. When you want a tasty, flavorful meal, think of pork, whether you need a cooking solution for a routine weeknight meal or a protein for your holiday cookout. Pork provides the answer, and I want to thank you all for watching.